In this video, we will see how to add the projects. Go inside the sales automation. Under the project tab, click on new project. If the customer is existing, then select the customer from drop down. If you want to add new customer, select the checkbox and add the customer details. For example, enter the phone number of the customer. Enter the first name. Enter the last name. Select the resignation. Add the customer address, that is builder address or the company address. Enter the pin code. Then click on add button. After adding the customer, click on next. Now this will leads to basic info page. Enter the details, that is enter the project name, that is opportunity name. Enter the expected closing date, that is deal confirmation date. Enter the contract start date, that is from which date the project will start till installation. Enter the contract end date till the installation date. Select the source. Enter the future prospect for this project, either it is mild, hot, warm or cold. Then click on save button. After saving this information, all the tabs are enabled. Click on address info. If the site address is same as the billing address, then click on same as above. If you want to enter the new address for the billing, then you can add that one as well. Now I am selecting as same as above. Temporary storage location means if the lift is ready and the site is not ready. In that case, the ready lift is storing at some place. That place details you can enter here. Now click on save. Click on the customer contact details. If the added customer is same for sold to party, bill to party, in that case select the customer, copy as bill to, select the customer and copy as ship to. And if you want to add new sold to party and new bill to party, in that case you can add from add new button. Click on manage groups. Here you can add the lifts. Group A. Group A means block name or wing name. That is, you can change for A wing. I am adding one lift. In order to add the lift, click on the block name, right click and click on add set. Also, you can add from add set as well. Enter the number of lifts you want to add for this block. Select the product. Select one contract date template and save. Now you can see the lift set is added. Click on the specification in order to add the specifications for this lift. Enter all required specifications. Car and landing details. If you want to add any other feature, that also you can add. Enter the total cost for this lift. This this is the quoted price and including 18% GST, the total is shown over here. Quoted price with GST. Click on save button and close. Like this you can add the lifts. If you want to add multiple blocks, in that case, right click on the project name and you can add the groups. For example, I am adding for B wing. Click on save button. If you want to add the lift for this block, click on add state. Enter the number of lifts you want to add. Select the product from drop down. Select one contract date template and save. Enter the specification. Click on specification. Enter all the specifications for this lift. Click on save button. Then close. If you want to add the same lift, in that case you can make the copy of the same product. If you want to add same product in different group, that is for different block or different week, you can click on copy in different group. Select the group name and OK. Now you can see the same product is added in A wing as well. Click on specification, then save and close. Like this you can add same product in different wing or block as well. If you want to add this product in different opportunity, that also you can add. Click on copy in different opportunity. Select the opportunity name. For example, select the group name for which block you want to add and OK. Now we can see the same product is added. Click on projects. Click on manage project. Here we have added same product for A wing. You can see same product is added. Like this you can add the same product for different opportunity as well. After adding the products, need to add one term and condition for this project. Click on add new terms and condition. Select the terms and conditions from drop down. Select the tax structure and click on save button. I'm adding different terms and conditions and save. Like this, you can add the terms and conditions. Under the contract info, if you want to add the PO number and PO date, then you can add. Billing plan will generate after project release. Click on the document management, generate one document. This is the standard document for this project. Now, change under the basic info tab, change the status as quotation submitted. You can change the status till project release. Once you got pre-order confirmation from client, then change the status. Management approval means the customer you have added need to approve for this customer. Click on the customer name, enter the GST number and save. Change the status as approved. Once you got the customer approval, then change the status. Preparation of project release. This will take little bit time as the system is creating billing plan and project. Under the dashboard, you can check all the activity like what how many new sales inquiries are there, how many quotations are submitted for the project, how many won orders and how much lost orders. After clicking on view details, you can see in detail. And if you want to add, if you want to get these details, then you can download the Excel report as well. Under the recent inquiries, you can add recently added projects with project number, project name, and their current status. Also, you can check the current project status count under the bar chart. For new status, there are eight projects. Quotation submitted, one project. Project release, 38 projects. Like this, you can check for project status wise count. Also, you can check the month wise inquiries versus month wise bookings. Blue color shows the inquiries and green color shows the bookings. For the month of January, you can see the 32 bookings are inquiries are there and 30 bookings are there. Like this you can check. Also you can see the pie charts for the opportunity by source, from which source the opportunity came, like from newspaper, from internet, from friends and relatives, you can check. Also, you can check the opportunity revenue by source. Like this, you can check the pie charts as well for the opportunity by type as well. How many commercial how many commercial projects are there? How many industrial? How many residential? That also you can check. Product by trend count also you can check in the pie charts. How many double parking products are added? How many geared elevators are added? Like this you can check all the activity under the dashboard. Also, if you can check the reports under the list reports, how many booking orders are there, you can check in booked orders reports. Also, if you want to check the customer, that you can check in customer report. If you want to get the employee details, that you can check the employees report. Inquiry summary report also you can check. Select the branch and add. Like this you can add the filter and get the report. Like this you can check the inquiry summary report. Also you can see the list of leads, how many leads are added. You can add the filter branch wise. Also you can see by adding all these filters. Also you can check the lost opportunity details, lost order details, list of opportunity. Also here you can check the list of opportunity, status wise, organization wise. If you want to check for particular branch, in that case just add that filter and click on report. Here you can check list of opportunities with specification and estimated price, number of stock for all the added opportunity. Like this you can check list reports. If you want to check the analytical reports, that also you can check product wide bids, win and loss analysis. You can check. If you want to check for dashboard report for a particular quarter, that also you can check. Click on submit button. Like this you can check for quarter report for how many opportunity by revenue by market segment, by opportunity count, product wise, month wise count. You can see for top 5 sales representative opportunity count, that also you can see. Like this you can see the dashboard report for quarter. Now we'll change the status as a project release. Like this you can release the project.